Oh, wow. Look at all that. Holy butts. Oh my god. Look at all that. That's some pretty stuff. Wow. The fake tree. And in the background, the real tree. Oh, wow. Is this thing on? Hello! Hey everybody, what's going on? So recently I posted my Midwest Furfest video for 2019 and you guys almost got the video up to 1,000 views. Well, that's crazy. But I appreciate all of you, that's super awesome. So I did get a comment on that video from none other than the illustrious, amazing Crafty Andy. Mwah! Love you, girl. And I also got a couple of comments from people in real human person life, which was kind of scary. Some of you guys said that you wanted to see some more of the fun, talking, banter, silly moments from Midwest Furfest. And I found out that I had captured quite a few of these moments on camera in my time trying to film a beautiful Chicago Animal People convention, which was super exciting. I decided I would collaborate all of those things together into one video shenanigan and post that on the internet for all of you to enjoy. So that's what this is. This is just a little collage of random bullshit that happened in Chicago this December. Hopefully you guys enjoy the random shenanigans that I captured on my camera. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Where are you going, pedestrian? Oh wait, you're not really a pedestrian. You're just a driver. Okay, bye. I don't know what that was. How are you?
I'm good.
You look so handsome in 60 frames a second.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm getting speedy.
Oh. We're about to do the Fursuit Menagerie, which, as most of you know, replaces the Fursuit Parade that most conventions do. Oh my god.
Your voice is gone.
My voice is terrible. Okay. I can try whispering real loud. Yeah, that's a great idea.
It was this ASMR.
Hi. Welcome to Midwest Furfest. In today's episode of ASMR with DoonTheFox, we're going to... You're fine.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're
Jump
fine.
cut.
Jump cut. Waffle, come back.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, who's this queen?
Oh, this is it's a lion that thinks it's a queen, but it's not the king, so it's the queen, so it's the queen.
He's the queen of the jungle. Hi. Oh god, that's disorienting through a camera. Oh. Hey, girl. Look at this queen, though. Hey. Oh, honey, can I ask you to twerk for YouTube?
I can't really twerk that well, but
you twerk great. You have all the right assets.
I can do the tail. The tail moves better than the ass.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh God. Hi.
Hi. Are you sober?
Nope. Dude, you gay as hell.
I know, bitch. I know. Hi, queen. I got a new camera.
Oh my God, shiny things.
I know. That's what I get for saving.
Let's dirty it up.
Yeah. Go ahead and lick it.
Blah, blah, blah.
Look at these pretty animals.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah. Can you boot me? Oh, oh that was aggressive.
Flag.
Oh, good form. I'm just getting some moving pictures of these cute animals.
I'm just gonna stand still like it's a photo.
Is this the mannequin challenge, but like MFF version? Oh my god, it's my queen. Hi. Are you proud of this?
Yes.
Are you proud of your booty cheeks?
Did they alert the guards?
Oh my god, my queen!
I don't know what that was.
Wait, why are you mad?
I don't know.
Tell me why. Alright, hi.
There you are.
Good.
Sorry. Get in the way. Oh, thank you, Paul. How sad of me. Oh, it's you. Oh, you're so cool. How's it going, Paul?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Nice to see you.
Thank you. Enjoying yourself. We are.
Wonderful. Good. I love your hat.
Thank you. No, you're fine.
You're okay.
I'm losing my voice. I shut out mine too, so you're fine.
Here's the food court. China Max, Charlie's Philly Steaks, Chicky Now, Chicago Burger Company, Haagen-Dazs, Cinnabon, Ma's Vegetarian, Freshie, whatever that is, Sbarro, Little Tokyo, and DJ's Mexican Grill. This is the food court in the mall. Okay, I'm recording you guys.
Okay.
How's it going?
Hello.
Merry Crimbus.
Crimbus.
Happy Kringle.
Happy Festivus for the rest
Hi,
of us.
Tyler.
Look at their
When did
bloopers,
you
though.
happen to jump on board with us?
I just did.
Right now, there's space.
Floor 8. Okay, bye.
What are they, afraid of mascots? Like, I'm like, well, you picked the right day to be here.
Ask that at a furry con, though?
Yeah, I know, right?
This is my friend DoonTheFox.
And I'm a cameraman.
Speedy Husky.
He's fast.
I know that guy.
No shrubberies here.
What the hell is a shrubbery?
Like, comment, subscribe. You're good. Oh, summer breeze makes me feel good. Look at you. You're wearing purple. What's wrong with you? Oh my god. I know. What am I like the fit?
There's something wrong. Soft fur, hard kings.
Honestly, my life story.
Beautiful! I'm not gonna come at you, it's okay.
Bloop. I'm gonna come at you.